Hi, I'm Ariel, and I just wanted to tell you about a line of products that I've really been dealing with and that I cannot believe what a change it's making in my world. And so this one in particular is from CTFO and it's called Total Wellness CBD capsules. And I am absolutely loving. I've now been using it 2 months and I'm seeing a big change in my autoimmune pain that has really calmed down. I am feeling much more comfortable in my body, and also it's really helping with my digestion. So I just really wanted to show this to you as an option to come and check it out and see how different it really makes your world feel. You Right below this, I will have information so you know exactly how to find it. Thank you so much and give it a try because we are going from pain to thrive.